Oh, hi, I'm Marc, an art teacher, a professional artist. And well, today's video is going to be a little bit different than usual. It's the last video of the year, and there's really three things that I want to do today. So it's going to be very, very quick. That being said, it's all good news. So let's get right into it. Number one, Merry Christmas from myself and my family to yours. I hope you have a great holiday break. It's been a rough year for a lot of us, and it still is, especially if you're trying to celebrate Christmas and you really can't get with your family, like is the case for us. Every year we travel back to Montreal, Canada to see family. Can't do that this year again, so not gonna lie, it's been a little rough, but throughout the year, thanks to all of you guys' comments on the videos, it's really allowed me to kind of have some sort of interaction with people, and it's helped me a great deal. So I really appreciate that. It's been super encouraging. And so yeah, for 2021, I hope to keep the channel as active, if not more. I have a lot of cool stuff planned, and I hope that you'll stick around. All right, second bit of news. So as usual, every single year I have a huge sale on my QBrush store, and this year is no different. I'm hosting the biggest sale that I've ever had. So almost everything in my store is going to be half off until the 1st of January. So to go check out the store, see if maybe there's something in there that you might want or that you'd like to give to somebody else. And I hope that the discount allows you to grab something if otherwise you might not have been able to. So you'll find a link in the top right corner here of the screen, down below as well. Head on to my store, qbrush.co/MB, and have a look. It's like everything that I have here on YouTube, except a lot more in depth. So I hope that helps. And then for the third bit of news for today, Art War is back. So Art War 5 is upon us. So it begins December 28th. And for those of you who have no idea what I'm talking about, Art War is this big character art contest that happens every single year. It's hosted by QBrush, and as usual, there's a ton of prizes, a bunch of different sponsors, and anybody can enter for absolutely free, of course. So that's a little bit of a summary. Every single year it's a different topic. Basically, contestants enter the contest and try their best to create a character that fits the brief as best as they can. There are two categories, 2D and 3D. It's a lot of fun to work on your own entry and see other people's entry at the same time develop over the 2.5 months-ish that you get to create your entry for the contest. Plenty of time to create something awesome. And it's been overall just a brilliant experience throughout the years. So highly encourage you to check it out. Link down below. It begins December 28th. Don't miss out. And there you go. That's going to wrap it up for this video. But before we end, I just wanted to add a little something. So of course you can still grab my brushes for free. Link in the top right corner of the screen here or down below. But that's not what I'm talking about here. I just wanted to say that it's the end of the year, but the year is not over yet. There's still a couple of days left, a good solid week left. And even though 2020 has been fairly crappy for most people, we still got a little bit of time to make the best out of what's left of it. So I personally have some more art to finish before the end of the year. So make sure that you follow me on Instagram to see all that. And I encourage you to do the same. So instead of tapping out until the end of the year, use that time well, create something awesome, and wrap up the year proudly, knowing that you did everything that you possibly could given the crappy circumstances. So I'll see you next year. I have a lot of cool stuff planned for the channel, and I can't wait to share it with you guys. Your support has helped make my year a whole lot better. So I'm really thankful for that. It means a lot. And I hope the content was somewhat helpful to you as well. So on that, once again, Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays, Happy New Year. I'll see you guys next year. Peace out.